Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem. Please listen. English workshop. Please listen. Warming up. Question number 1. What makes you laugh? Answer. Some jokes and some humorous incidents make me laugh. Second question. What makes you angry? Answer. Someone's wrong behavior and indiscipline make me angry. Third question. What makes you sad? Answer. When I get defeats, I feel sad. Fourth question. What makes you happy? Answer. When giving helping hands to others, I feel happy. Margin questions. First question. What is the difference between hear and listen? Answer. Hearing is a physical activity of sound falling on the ear and not paying attention towards the words. And listening is the activity deliberately done to understand the meaning of words. Next, think, guess and answer. Question number 2. How old is the speaker in the poem? Answer. The speaker must be a teenager, 13 to 19 years old. Third question. Who is he or she talking to? Answer. He or she is talking to his or her parents, friends, relatives and elders. Fourth question. What must have happened before the speaker says all this? Answer. Before the speaker says all this, parents, friends, elders must have advised him or her instead of listening his thoughts and feelings. Think, discuss and answer. Fifth question. Is the speaker aware of his shortcomings? Answer. Yes, the speaker is aware of his shortcomings. Sixth question. Does he or she want to improve? Answer. Yes, the speaker wants to improve. Seventh question. Is he or she confident that he or she can improve? Answer. Yes, he or she feels confident. Eighth question. How does he or she wants to work it out? Answer. He or she wants to work it out by thinking and using the power that God has given. He or she wants to find out what is behind irrational feelings. Ninth question. Is the poet willing to listen to others? Answer. Yes, the poet is willing to listen to others only if he or she wait till his or her turn comes. English workshop. Question number 1. Complete the following with the help of the lines of the poem. When I ask you to listen to me, you start doing. You start giving me advice. You begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way. You feel that you have to do something to solve my problems. Second question. Write the opposites of the following. A. Cheap, costly, expensive. B. Discouraged, encouraged. C. Inadequacy, adequacy. D. Accept, reject. E. Simple, different or hard. F. Irrational, rational. G. Understand, misunderstand. H. Clear, unclear. Third question. Use the following charts to prepare meaningful dialogues. Use your ideas to fill in the blanks. Just take a look at the blank words. B. I had an argument with my brother today. Oh, what about? The usual. I wanted to watch cartoons. He wanted to watch his favorite cereal. So again we ended up fighting. Why don't you talk to him peacefully? I tried, but it doesn't help. I'll try. Oh no, not again. I tried to explain that I wanted to watch cartoons, but he didn't listen and changed the channel. Sad. Fourth question. Maintain a diary at least for a week. Write about your interactions with other people in your surrounding in 3 to 4 lines. Also write whether you find the interactions happy, unhappy, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, enjoyable, stressful, etc. Diary for a week. Day 1. Today, I met our new neighbor. I became very happy to know that their son is of my age and studying in standard 9th. I got a new friend. Day 2. Today I gave a speech in school assembly on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Everyone appreciated my speech. I was so excited. Day 3. Today my PT teacher gave me punishment. I became very nervous and sad because of this. Day 4. Today, my uncle and aunt came to our house. Really, it was a great fun to have a company of them. I enjoyed a lot. Day 5. Today I was alone in the house. Papa and Mama had gone to function. Didi had gone to office and I was very alone. Really, it was very boring day. Day 6. Today in the school, football match was arranged between our class and standard 9th A. Our class won by 2-1. Really, the match was very interesting. All of us made shout. Day 7. Today, I was very excited because I was getting the first prize in the hands of the president of the Rotary Club. Fifth question. Write an informal letter from a teenager to his or her parent expressing a few thoughts from the poem. ABC Happy Home, Main Road, Itsalkaranji. 26th July 2020. My dear father and mother, are you surprised to see this letter? I wanted to talk to you about this, but then I thought I will be able to express myself better in a letter. Papa and Mummy, I know you are dear ones to me, but now I am grown up. Let us think of myself and make my own decisions. I just wanted you to listen to me with full attention and you failed me. You know, God has given us the mind and brain to think. He never interferes with our decisions. So please understand me and my feelings. I just need someone to share my thoughts. If I have made mistakes writing this, you will excuse me. I hope you will understand me and my feelings now. Your loving daughter or son, ABC.